We're here at the historic Knoxville arcade building, where we got an Otis Series 1 to ride. Oh, going down or up?
Going down.
Oh, I'm taking a ride, but I'll hold the door for you. Look at this. We got a very early, newer Series 1 with the older Series 1 chimes. Anyway, let's go up to 3. Here we go. Let's go down. G. This is a very nice and tall elevator. But yeah, a very early newer Series 1. It's got the newer Series 1 buttons, but as you can see, it actually has the older Series 1 chimes, which is really cool. Are you going back up?
Yeah, 101.
And that's where I'm gonna go. Has a pretty epic motor too, by the way. I'll get off here. There it goes. And we'll get a view of this gorgeous lobby. Anyway, that's gonna be it.